Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you how to mute or unmute an account on Threads. So let's say you just download and install Threads and you just use Threads and you have turned on your notification, and there's just one of the account which just completely posts random post every 1 minute, and you're just getting the notification every 1 minute and you're getting disturbed and you just want to mute them so you don't get the notification. Alright, so that's what muting an account does. So let me show you how to do that, and I will also show you how to unmute them again, so make sure to stay until the end. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. Now to mute somebody, first you need to go inside their profile. So I'm going to go inside this person called Lolita's profile, and at the top of her profile you can see the 3 dot at the top right corner. You want to click on the 3 dot and click on versus mute. You can clearly see the mute option. Click on it. Now you can see the muted option and she has been muted. Now once she's muted, I'm not going to get any notifications from her. But if I want to mute her again, I can click on the 3 dot at the top right corner, and instead of mute, now it shows unmute because she's already muted, so the mute button is gone. So I can click on unmute and it's going to show me unmuted over here. That means she has been unmuted and I'm going to get notification from her again. So that's how you guys can mute or unmute somebody on your Threads account. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my future video with future Threads related videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time.